Facts about how virtual reality is changing education. Virtual reality, VR, allows students to interact with a 3D environment for immersive learning. VR can simulate complex subjects like human anatomy, astronomy, and chemistry. It offers hands-on experience without physical limitations, like in medical training. History lessons in VR can transport students to ancient civilizations or pivotal historical events. VR helps in training for high-risk professions, such as pilots or firefighters, without real danger. Some studies show increased retention rates among students using VR. VR facilitates learning for remote students by providing a shared, immersive experience. VR is helping students with disabilities access learning experiences previously unavailable to them. It can reduce costs for schools by simulating expensive field trips or lab equipment. VR enables language immersion without travel, helping students practice languages in real-life settings. Teachers can create customized, interactive lessons suited to various learning styles. VR is increasingly being integrated into STEM education for advanced problem-solving and collaboration. The growth of educational VR is supported by companies developing specific learning platforms. VR is revolutionizing education by making learning more interactive, accessible, and engaging, particularly in STEM fields. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, share and subscribe for more.